Tell 'em my joke is pet the turkey, and then I always go over it.
When I first brought her,
So now where else are you going to do turkey petting? Hi, I'm Mary Lane. I'm the market manager of the Cache Valley Gardeners Market, located at the old courthouse on 199 North Main Street, every Saturday from 9 to 1. If it's in season, it's here, and if it's not, it's not. In the early part of the market, a lot of the things that they're growing themselves, they'll sell their extra plants. Then they transition from their plants and early starts into now you're seeing carrots and beets and radishes. We've had strawberries. We also have people come up from Brigham with fruit, so we get a lot of wonderful peaches. Stonehouse dahlias, you can get all these specialty dahlias. Our other vendors are First Frost Farms, Lost Creek Farms, the Cowley family. We have the Johnson Farms, the Loft House Farms, Bowman Farms, Bowman King Farms. As the season moves forward, we'll get other vendors because they'll just be growing certain items like corn or melons or late squash, maybe corn stalks and decorative corn, wreath makers. So we try to work with our community, and we provide events that fit in with our community. So when children get out of school in Cache Valley, we have children staying on that day. Lots of different clubs come in. From there, we went into Candidates Day, where we offered a special day for all the candidates that were running to come here on one day so our public can get to meet them. And then we do a farm-to-table banquet on September 8th this year. We try to keep it cheap because sometimes these events seem to be out of reach for a lot of people, and we try to make it in reach. You should come, September 8th. We end the season with our Oktoberfest, where the kids can trick or treat. We do apple cider tasting, apple cider pressing, decorating cookies, painting pumpkins, guess the weight of the big giant pumpkins. And every week we have music. Every week it's a different band. You can sit on the nice green grass under the shade trees. You should come down to our market because it's really a great event.
thank you.